Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create grids, guides, and gutters in Illustrator. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Illustrator, click on the Create an Account option, and from here you can use your Google, your Facebook, your Apple, you can even use your Microsoft account, and by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Now, creating grids, guides, and gutters in Adobe Illustrator offers several benefits that contribute to better organization, precision, and alignment with your design projects. Because for one, it helps maintain consistency in your design layout, because grids provide a structured framework for arranging elements, ensuring that they align properly and adhere to a cohesive visual structure. Grids and guides enable precise alignment of elements within your artwork, and they help you position objects accurately, ensuring that everything is properly aligned and spaced according to your design specifications. Now, how do we create grids, guides, and gutters? It's a very straightforward process because, for one, all you have to do is click on File and click on New, right? Now, you can start with anything because this is just for tutorial, but I would suggest for now that we start with the web, and from here, well, we can choose anything, right? From web large, web minimum, MacBook Pro, and all of these template sizes. But for now, let's head over to the common, right? Let's click on create, and there we have it. Now the next step is, okay, so I'm gonna create a shape here. Basically, if you wanted to create grids, guides, and gutters, it's best to use the rectangle, because it's a lot easier to work with. So all you have to do is put it to the entire canvas and press enter. Now when you do that, as you can see, the width is 1366 and the height is from 768. Now what I wanted to do is to create a small amount of space in between. So what I wanted to have is like a small margin in the left side and the right side of this entire canvas. So I'm gonna decrease the width into maybe like, I don't know, like 40. Let's try that. As you can see, it changes. There's like a mini gap from the left side and the right side of the canvas, right? Now the next step is, now this step is very important because this is where we create grids and guides. Now from here, click on the object and then click on path and hover down to split into grid, right? Now, since we are working with the web, now as you can see, since it's web, we are going to work with the columns. When I put a value here, say for example 10, there's going to be 10 columns, right? Let's do that again because that's not what I wanted. It's going to be a little bit hard later, but I'm teaching the basics, but it's up to you to work with it. I'm going to create a 2 of it. All right. Make sure you hit the preview option so that you would have an access to how it would look like. Say for example, I'm putting 10 right here. So that's our mistake earlier. We didn't click on the preview, but I'm going to work with the 2 for now. And once you've done that, number 2 is very small number. Let me try to have like something 10. So that's easier. Now, once we created the, now essentially you can increase the gutter, right? So basically that's how you create grids and gutters, right? So it's up to you. You can play around with this and all of that. And once you're happy, right? So work with it. So it's up to you if you want to increase, decrease the gutter, but essentially that's how you create grids and guides. Oh, sorry, a grid and gutters. Now, if you wanted to create a guide, all you have to do is click on OK, go to View, hover down below, there you go. Click on Guides and Make Guides, right? As you can see, When that happens, it turned into a blue color, right? There's like a navy blue and a marine blue color. That means you have already created guides, and that's how you create grids, gutters, and guides here in Illustrator. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.